Hello guys and welcome to AVK App Reviews. Recently Google released the second developer preview of Android M. So I am running it on my Nexus 5. Now there are lots of changes as compared to first preview of Android M. So as you can see, I am running the Android version M. And the build number is MPZ79M. So this is the build number for second developer preview of Android M. So let's move ahead and check out the top 5 features that has been added to second developer preview of Android M. Now the first visible change that you're gonna see is the app drawer. So when you open the app drawer, you can see the grouping of the app as per alphabet has been gone. Now it looks like a previous version of Google Now but with the vertical scrolling. And it looks pretty good as compared to the previous version. And you will also get the predictive apps on the top row of the app drawer. And when you scroll down using the scroll bar, you will get the alphabets. So it is easy to search any app just by scrolling down to their alphabet. So I am loving the new look of the Google Now launcher. In my opinion, it is better than the previous version. Now you can also customize this app drawer. Just press and hold on the home screen and go into settings. Now here is the option to enable or disable the predictive apps. So now you can enable the landscape mode for your Google Now launcher. So as you can see, now it is working in a landscape mode. So now you can access the Google Now launcher in a landscape mode. Now the second improvement or second feature is when you go into storage and USB. So as you enter the storage, you can find the revamped look of the storage setting. So when you click on apps, it will show you all the apps that are installed. Otherwise, when you click on images, it will show the images folder wise. Also, one thing you can observe is they have added the option of Explorer. So now you can say Android has an inbuilt file manager. So it is one of the best improvement I have seen on this preview. Now the third feature or improvement is, now you don't have to go to the apps menu for accessing the RAM management menu. In this preview, they have provided a separate tab called memory in the settings menu. So you can access your RAM management option in the memory tab. So this is the revamped look of the RAM management menu. As you can see, it will show you the performance of your device, then the total RAM available on this device, then the average percentage of RAM used by device, and the free RAM available on this device. So this new look gives you the perfect idea of the RAM usage. Now you can also change the stat calculation duration from this option, means you can set it to 3 hours or 6 hours or 12 hours or 1 day. So it will show the RAM management as per these settings. You can also check out the memory used by apps in this option. So this is the revamped look for this option. So when you go into any specific app, it will show you the frequency for the app running and the maximum amount of RAM used by that app. So it's a good new feature. It will give you the perfect view of RAM management. Now the fourth feature or improvement is System UI Tuner. We have seen the glimpse of System UI Tuner in the previous build of Android M. Now in this preview, they have added some more options to System UI Tuner. You can enable the System UI Tuner from developer option. So as you can see, they have added some more options to System UI Tuner. So here the first option is quick setting. So here you can customize the location of the quick toggles. And you can also add some tiles, that is cast or broadcast style. Then the next option is status bar. It is the new feature added in this preview. So here they have provided all the icons that appear on status bar. So you can enable or disable this icon as per your choice. Suppose I don't want to see my Wi-Fi icon in status bar, so you can disable it. So as you can see, the Wi-Fi icon is gone. So it's a good feature. So it is a good option to remove that persistent alarm icon that appears on status bar. Then next is you can enable the battery percentage inside the battery icon. So as you can see, it is showing you the battery percentage inside the battery icon. Now they have also given the option of demo mode. So this will give the demo to the user how the icons look in status bar. Now the fifth feature is very small feature, but it is very useful. So when you take a screenshot, so it will show you the option to delete that screenshot in the notification drawer. So that's a new option added. So it is a very small feature, but it's useful. So these are the top 5 features that has been added to the second developer preview of Android M. So I am pretty impressed with the new features. So if you have any suggestion, please write it in the comment section below. And if you like this video, please hit like button below and share this video and subscribe to my channel for more such video. You can follow me on Google+, Twitter and Facebook. Thank you for watching my video. I will see you in my next video.